you guys? Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cheeseburger meatball recipe. And these are the ingredients you'll need. I have some grass-fed ground beef. I have some cheese. I have some big poppa pickle. Or you can use your favorite pickle. And I'm pretty much just going to put everything down into my bowl. So I have the ground beef. I have my chopped up pickles. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. So make sure you guys check that out. I have my mustard. Now, one thing I really wish I changed, well, not changed, but I wish I added more mustard. The mustard in this recipe is so good. And yes, I have Dijon mustard, grainy mustard, Creole mustard, but I prefer the classic yellow mustard that we get on burgers at all these fast food restaurants. So that's why I used yellow mustard. I also added panko because I didn't have regular breadcrumbs. I added some seasoning, and that's pretty much it. You could pop these in the oven if you want to. I use the air fryer because it's 900 degrees in Texas. I'm not turning on no oven in this 900-degree weather, so that was a no. So what you're looking for is kind of sort of like golf ball size meatballs. You can use it, make whatever size you prefer. But I'm putting these in lettuce wraps, and I don't want to make them too big because then it's too bulky. You can't really manage it and eat it. So I used like little golf size balls, and they were good to go. Look at the pickle all throughout there, and that was also one of the best parts. Now, if you notice, I didn't add any salt to this mixture because it didn't need it. The pickles, the cheddar, and it just don't need that much salt at all. So after it was in the air fryer, this is how they come out looking. Look how amazing these look. I can't even do it. And they were moist. They were perfectly cooked. They weren't dried out, and they're good to go. You could make a sauce if you want. I chose not to. Again, I'm putting it into lettuce boats, and yep. These smelled so good. They turned out so well. They were so delicious and fresh. I hope you guys give them a try because it's definitely worth it. Yeah, and I ate this for dinner. Actually, I had this for dinner today. You can use whatever dressing you want, but I use ranch. It's what I had, so I use ranch. I think some people use ketchup, but I wanted ranch. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!